Hello, in front of me I've got BELKIN SOUNDFORM Nano. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset of your earbuds. Firstly, make sure that your earbuds are not connected to any device. And now tap and hold your earbuds touch control panel for 6 seconds. Release, and now tap and hold for 10 seconds. Now, release, and place them back in the charging case. Close the lid. Open the lid, and factory reset has been complete. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.